Military tankers have been seen making rounds in Harare just 2 days after Vice President Constantino Chiwenga directly challenged President Mnangagwa's bid for a third term. Azvipere mushe mureZimbabwe vakomana veMzim aya vonyora vachiti military deployment after Chiwenga's Anti-Mnangagwa Chanter. Sanapinda mashoko abuda nyogwa muzara nhasi kuti subscribe like kuti on the bell icon. Muzara nezuro vanhu vazhinji vakaona ma-images ematenga. Panapa vanhu veMzim aya vari kuuya vachikomenda according masituations atika munyika yeZimbabwe vanyora vachiti earlier this week Chiwenga warned Mnangagwa supporters against pushing him out of presidential race. In a speech captured by SABC News, Chiwenga addressed in ZANU-PF regalia addressed a gathering urging party members to remain loyalty not to individuals who come and go, but to the party and the country as a whole. Unlike other cabinet members, including Vice President Kembo Mohadi and senior party figures, Chiwenga is refused to endorse the ED 2030 slogan, which has been interpreted as a direct challenge to Mnangagwa's campaign. On Wednesday, tankers similar to those deployed by Chiwenga during the 2017 coup were spotted in Harare. Former CCC deputy spokesperson Osalos Gift Siziva posted videos of the military vehicles making rounds in the city, fueling speculation about Chiwenga's intentions. Satikona panapa vakomana veMzim aya vari kuuya vachifunga kuti aiwa matengas ari kutenderera aya abva atenderedzwa abva apindonzwa mumastreets after Chiwenga ataura nhau dzekumisa aiwa the 2030 slogan. Vari kuuya vachiti aiwa aya anogona ari ma-intentions VP Chiwenga. Chibotudzai mafungiro enyu according masituations amuri kuona nezvazvichinyogwa panapa. Pinda kucomment section medu, subscribe like,